Can advanced baseball metrics reveal overvalued players? Have you ever wondered if advanced baseball metrics can help uncover players who are not living up to their contracts? This question is important for teams looking to make smart decisions. Advanced metrics, often referred to as Sabermetrics, provide a more complete picture of player performance than traditional statistics. Traditional stats like batting average or runs batted in do not tell the whole story. Advanced metrics such as on-base percentage, slugging percentage, and weighted on-base average offer a better understanding of a player's offensive contributions. These metrics account for how often a player gets on base and the quality of their hits. Defensive metrics like ultimate zone rating and outs above average help quantify a player's defensive abilities, which traditional stats often overlook. This combination of offensive and defensive metrics allows teams to evaluate players more accurately. One key metric is wins above replacement. This measures how many more wins a player contributes compared to a replacement-level player at the same position. It combines offense, defense, and base running into a single value. Another important metric is value over replacement player, which compares a player's contributions to a baseline replacement player. Weighted runs created plus adjusts a player's offensive output for league and park factors, making it easier to compare players across different contexts. By looking at these metrics, teams can identify players who may be overvalued based on their performance relative to their contracts. For example, if a player has a high salary but a low or declining wins above replacement, they might be considered overpaid. Advanced metrics can also show if a player's traditional stats are inflated due to luck or favorable conditions that may not last. Different sources calculate wins above replacement in various ways, leading to discrepancies. For instance, Fangraphs and Baseball Reference may value defense or base running differently. Understanding these differences is important when evaluating player value. Teams apply these metrics in player comparisons, contract negotiations, and roster decisions. This helps them avoid overpaying for players whose advanced metrics suggest they are underperforming. A player with strong traditional stats but poor defensive metrics and low wins above replacement may be targeted for trade or released. However, while advanced metrics provide deeper evaluations, they are not perfect. Factors like injuries, changing roles, and small sample sizes can impact assessments. Therefore, it is essential to combine metrics with scouting and contextual analysis. Advanced baseball metrics serve as useful tools for revealing overvalued players by measuring their actual contributions in offense, defense, and base running. By comparing these metrics to contract values, teams can make informed decisions about player evaluations.